eno. Very good. Ibanda, Chiruhura, Kazo, Bushenyi, Rubirizi, Mitoma, Shema, Buweju, Isingiro, Rwampara, Mbara City, Mbara District, Ntungamo. Kare, kanta nchira mchara. Haza ujira moti, denu ujire moti, deroye yanjiri.
N'abakira abantu mwe mukurice mahanda. Amazina nibanyetanya Kato Ketra, nindiga Rwampara, ndi chairperson district.
Nduche Rovrini, chairperson ahabwa Shema district.
Amazina ganjye bakama Abeli, ni ndiko mtawoni kanso ya Kazo, niza kunu yambarara.
PFFOye, freedom for all for freedom. Deo wafachi mwine mugiga chairperson Sinjo district. Freedom for all. Konka jangu tuhereza amazina umwami mugisha mukume mutuhereze respect tugambira abantu mbambe tage bigambo byitu aho kwanci banci tagangu babuhurire. Okay.
PFFOye amazina niraka ninjye nabo Vincent kandi chairperson ni Abwarubirizi district. Ebugambo nyine bingi konka abo kugira ngo tubambabwire I would tell you because nyine government nyinge zindebere ezindi kubaza comparing na neji nkashanga ngo yitine cyo yakozere mwebare munonga.
Freedom Party, all for freedom. Mazina Chasimre Anet Matiokori, vice chairperson Ntungamo district.
Amazina Ndinatkunda Hereni, secretary for women ahabwambara district. Chairperson witariona aija konkana ajerangu atakaburo wale kondisho.
PFFOye Ntungamoye amazina namwanjeza mzamu chairperson w'abacyara Ntungamo district.
Amazina atwikirize Jacqueline, vice chairperson Bweju district.
Rwampara hoye, Ankole hoye, freedom for all for freedom. Ayesgomwe amone rubarema, enzarwa ya karamrani ngoma Kabra Town Council, Rwampara East Rwampara district, chairperson wa Freedom Party Omuri Rwampara. Nijahona bache, ekiruhanga ya nyambireho, nyesigani nyenye nomuze ya cyasingayo omwako gurije nza kucelebratinga emyaka 9 yiyo bukuru. Muze yimutarigano basa kwimukoya ohubira abantu bakurebe. Nomuze witu wa Rwampara no bakurira baze akachiko kabaze nyine honye sigana wari yoko okwenyuma na okayerezeho nabandi bari bakwiza onkati wine manzejo niye tukwatirire akwa nomuze no mana abanyankore no bagire fumu ngwe yaburo mukuru.
Webare munonga mwongero bugaro na districts zitwezi ebibyona n'amahisa nyungu timu ziniza kwija yomwe na jagaruka yanjure na timu ye abantu bebona bemere mbwe natawundu gambira kanshabe timu aba entertainment abarutuzanira muije minu hayro turukutebekaniza kimwe turukumara Farida umukuru w'abasilamu gunande kofire jo yo kwisomo ngaro gimwe leta yendijo ogiye muzeyo yogwe.
AZAM TV banna mu byokunyumirwa okulaba TV bongedde ebirungo mu mpeereza yaabwe nate. Funa kit ya AZAM TV ku $8 gyokka. Kituufu ddala $8. Oba funa dikoda ya AZAM TV ku $4 gyokka. Ke kaseera okwemala eggoga ne La Liga, Italian Serie A, German Bundesliga, Ligi ya Saudi Arabia ne Carabao Cup ku AZAM Plus ne Play Package mu HD. Nyumirwa ebina Uganda ku Chamuka TV ku AZAM Pure ku $13 zokka buli mwezi. Nyumirwa ebyemizannyo ebya buli kika ne AZAM TV. Ekyasinze okuba ebbeeyi layisi wano. Genda wa agent waffe yenna oba okube ku ssimu nooti 312 308 9 omanye ebisingawo.
AZAM TV, entertainment for everybody.
Introducing Wanda's multi-purpose disinfectant, your ultimate defense against harmful bugs and germs. With just a few sprays, you can quickly disinfect your toilet, bathroom, urinal, dustbin, kitchen counter, tables, farm tools, children's toys, you name it. Keep your loved ones protected. Choose cleanliness. Choose protection. Choose Wanda's. Always wonderful.
Omagara genseji arihembere eri kutuhindura tukabe ekyo ekituri embera egi eri kuhindura amazoba enjendo narishi ebitebyo bitu nambwenu mu mbeera egyo nituba nituronda ekintu eky'omutaana ha bindi namunonga ekintu ekirikubaasa kureetaho ekyokutangaza omagara gitu naniiwe gabana ha burungi bwa Wonders Family Jelly izoba ryawe ribe ry'omutaano gakozirwe mu birungo ebirikuheeza omubiri gukagaruka busya gukagira amaani weena ukasigara n'okuhurira gye. Wonders Family Jelly nigo majuta agine kuguma ha rubaju n'eka yawe.
Wonders, always wonderful.
kwanjura bagenuru noza kushisha mwe kintu kimwe nikikoreretera mutero mu ngare bitindise bindi nibaza kubigamo nabagira ngo engaro za genuru ezo tuzere kumara muzongere very good. Omukigambo kimwe kyonka toroye yanjure
freedom for all for freedom. PFF. Freedom Party. Nbanyita Venancio ahabwe kandi nduga kajara Omuri Ntungamo district. Na nahuriye nbanjura abantungamo bunanta katahiremu na nishabango abanyantungamo barya habutuje hamwe mu muce kandi ageno yakuruga ntungamo abanyantungamo mwebare mukija itwe turede kandi twayitebekanise no kwigura ofisi okuwaba no gamba kongani imango hina nabanda bariyo nibije yebare
mnongo mu Rwanda utwire nawe akabwaye mero la musabantu ayimino ye ninga chichegambe
freedom party all for freedom makama asime ni manyetatu msime Enoka Akabwai and the Secretary for Defense Ntungamo District. Watafuti nothing so.
Yale mnonga omushijogu kuruga wetaka tandikire chenda na mwenda akaba yagiremo bakaza kumutina tinisa obwa headmaster yabwanga yabagambira nshongo no kusiyeriza otubanawe mbwendi yebare mnongo mwamaka bwayi abibanda chairman na timu yawe twabakire mbwenu hatafuti wahika Honorable Mwijike ntirebe katwaza futandika programu kandi nka mukuru wo mukoro gwa MCR izoba rukuza kutana byamu sebo kwa Tom Zindaro rero tutandike jo program officially abatakizire nibija kutujoininga okantu enangu to beating time turengu twazumbwire twayigura office ekintu kitu cyona cyagumizamo orabaye ne kibuzo naija kukibuza Honorable Mwijike wonde kirembanze nyanjuro gumuntu biti no manyabambara site barero bakora muri nabasa Marine cancer rwa shakiza ward nyaerwa nyashakizi nyakayojo division barasite arinkahe umuntu murunjoko aija otarye yanjure nyuma aha kare freedom for all or for freedom PFF gamba gamba bantu bakuru
freedom for all for freedom. Amazina na abasa Maureen, Councillor to be Rashachis Ward, Nyakayojo Division Mbarasite. Now, abantu mwena n'abakira mwebale kwija n'abagenyi bitu mwebale kwija twabashemero. Freedom for all, PFF.
Kare. Honorable yampamuka ngira kunagumeza muri rero nawayije bwa ngwenu twazafitandika kandi program ko ningireba ngo yabaje hati twaza kugira ngwenu twaza kushaba reverend atushabise no reverend akashabirika tuyemerere tweshongore national anthem. naruga Kenya mutero mungaro aine baro yazabandi konka takoshere mukoti yone kandi na Kenya ektireho mushango gw'amani erukababira Uganda bwo kidnappinga Dr. Besigye mbwene cyo ntugumwe East Africa mutagireka hati ntwenda kutambura nayo mbwene umusiramu na reverend muyijaha mutweshara
yadakike mwibiri ndurwebana da kanoni samuti byasa omwahure ohumwire emirimo Ankole diocese nyowe nintura mbarara bakansaba kwija kushabisa orukiko rutakatandikire mbwira ntakashabire nyire bigambo bibiri ebyaba leta ecyo kubanza okuroba humbleness kandi Bible netugambira ngo kumurioroba muri y'oburungi bwensi ecya kabiri rukundo okukundana kandi kumurukundana abantu babareba ngo numukundana bagenzi banje bamanye ngo numukundana baryamanya ngo muri abeji ba Yesu Kristo akaba kabayine rukundo ruhango obushobozi bwona ninkusima ka abantu abakunde yine abo kutandika kibina cyabwe cya PFF kandi no kukironkinga omugureta mbarara ntukusimbire teka eyo bateyiremu kugikora ntukusimbire obwire burungi obwoteireho mukama kureba ngo nubashikahi bashika kandi tukusimbire mbereruho ekitwantu tureba TV abantu batera abandi ngo bagira ebibina byabo abana bakomwe mukono bafukana n'abatakomire mbwendo teka ngo okomire mukono na ikarra okomire na ikarra otakomire mukama ntukwasa situation eri yo mu Uganda mukama ntukwasa obuteko byo mu bantu ba Uganda ntukwasa okureba ngo abantu batunge kibari kwenda akoka turagira mukama watugambira ntukimanya wajya ngo bukama bwona burgahariwe mbwena abane bawe bendo bukoma bateka hunyamuhanga ushirize nkiko zabo obarondere sente obahe motoka obaherezo kugenda bakakora icyo barkwenda kiko bariko mutera karuru bayino kumanya ngo nabo bakoze campaign ngo bundabone waza kutorano ijaho bene itwaha mukama nareba nangwa twine nabarinzi betoro iraha bayine mbundu za kaganga konka mukama iwono urindo kukirabo irinda abantu ba waba baryaha irinda barkwija kandi urukiko kurahwe mukama abantu aba bari kumakagabo bayino kukunda bayino kushemerwa nkoko nabareba obagarire yugi kandi bakawusoma mu gukire okutarukisha mateka gawe n'amateka gensi izina ryawe rihimbisibwe omucyagwa uranga tateitwe umwana n'umwoyo rukwera mukama guzabantu aba guzameja wito ryaha okutwebembera guzaryabo abatwebembera muri Ankole yona na Uganda yona ngo bakoze sigi guturinde gurike kuturugaho hati na nebiro byona mukama witagumene yimwe
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Amazina mbanyetashe Jafari Bulikero kulia nimanya nindiga Omuri Rubirizi district. Leka twebazeho Allah tabaraka wa taala kulangu natutwa omwanya ogu mwekyondezeho kachi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghayril maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. So nyonyo no kwesima kuruga irizoba nyonturo ko mcharo hale konka kuyantandika katandika n'abantu banje twakora omoromogwe abantu bantere binyasi munafe ya taho programu ye yo kutusanyaho ibirabira na mukaga takwenda ki kindi kibina cyona konka barakallahu fikum kuleba ngwe sahezi turiyaha nitwiguraho ki nyuno kwesima munonga buli omwa kitero munga ekindi twebuuze abantu boona twine meja ubarabire tarwatari kuhamanya wasanga ng'omuntu ou wayigire nawe tokwenda orye nawe ekinora nekyo mutawana konka ninsaba bamemba mwena twerwaneho twerire tumanye ngu PPF ekozire ki tutayegayara nyuni mpuranye n'amaani kandi mingi ninyeraganisa kugira ngu office niza kugita omwanje nk'oku mwagamba ngu tuzite omu maka gitu omuryango ngwine arayiza abuuze owajya fari ngu office eri nkayi nyo nagutaho waza. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Webale munonga mujibongere ngaro awe kitini saho narebo mwijike kwatumuzindaro.
Webale munonga honarebo Roland Kajinda. Abanyankore muriyo muri buhoroje mureke twetera omungaro z'amani munonga temuna nakari. Aiturujire n'umuhamanya aitwahikana muhamanya na yitkuzana mukorachi hakataho hina baruhire kana bontu basasira abo kuri gendo tuwertanguhi ntugumantu basima abo bwiro utwabire turi nabo tokujota nankakara hadu kamugire kinega wene bansha bakoro bwa MC tinga bukora hoga mwene munshabire konka numukimanyaje munonga ngo kwiha Uganda je tungo kwetegeka ekintu ekitwe nkiteganisa ni betrayal abebembezi okurebya abakwebembera kwihe nyuma hine n'abarwanirira independence hakijo obwebembezi bwa nyuma ya independence abagireho bamwe barebye babene bebembera abembezi abagireho post independence hine n'abagireho mu kishaka barwo mu kishaka hagira barebye bagenzere nabo mu kishaka tutanekere bibina binjo mu ihangeri hine abayibembiro okutandika bibina konka gatomo harigama abandi abarebye abandi nabwo cyo sure twine ekizibecho konka kirungi okwebemberwa bo bakaguma hamuramwa abemezi bo barebyana konka bakwebembera ekibakwenda bagumana bakora ki nibakimanya ekyo nicyo kituhereza amasiko kumanya ngo umwishe nango no byakugira bizi byakagenda konkoro taron rugumaho struggle negumaho akwa abantu bakuzana bakora ki nibahamanya. Inshonga ya kabiri numureba ngo besije ariyo mucome konka tumwina ahubwo kuba omituma yitumwinaha omuntekateka yitumwinaha no mbigenderwa tumwine nkahi tumwinaha nabwo cyo mureke tumwache tumutere ngaro zamani ahubwo kuba tumwinaha orortaro rustwiremu ubutwabire bamwe omuritwe ntutandika buri umwe namanyu buyatandika bamwe bakabata kutwetegereza bamwe bakamba tweta bakasisi abatakunda businje bakatabuzi ukikango taronka demonstration abashubuzi bajya twenda kushisha ibintu byabo abashomesa bajya ngo abana twaza kubaremeso kushoma ngo naho inkurebera ngo tyo nsingura hata nayo mbajya ngo twaza kuremesa abana kushoma hata nabo batangire kwesharinga abashubuzi bajya ngo twakushisha ibintu byabo nibesharinga buri zoba nikimanyisa ngo ebitwantu gamba abantu bagumana babyetegereza babikora mpora ntubore kace munonga ako babembezi banje bakuza bageze bitoza kubagambira tukari kutwahinda kuba tujya muhero cyo kora ece kibina ni front line hateje kibina cya burijo nk'ebindi ne kibina cy'abarwanirizi benshi bempinduka cya muhero twinizi narisia konka turubasya twinizi nasya konka turichi nitwa batwiraho mu struggle itwe turenzo mbyaroko umagombora umdifitsi nitwe niko kushangwe kitongore cya hindura izina ninga kizi nka umeme ngo yahindura izina ngo yatero yahinduraho ninga ngo kizimbe cyo bakitererangisi konka nitwe cyo kuro umwoga gwitu gwangwi akwayembeze tubina hansi mpaka higuru mwene mwebare munonga kwija mwebare kugumerenda kwitwiremu mwebare kurwana mwebare munonga mureke twakire genero muntu kumuterera ingaro z'amani munonga hatumwemera tumutere ingaro twemerire mugarike mwongeremu abanyankore bagira kare mushitame abanyankore bagira ngo batafire babara kurebana hatwagaraka kutambura hamwe bwa nyuma abajungu aricyo bakweta ngo once beaten twice shy hati we are now going to move together more determined and more experienced mbwene hati ntakagumiza mureke twashire abantu bakuru katwashire abantu bakuru twashire Deputy President wa PFF Honorable Rurume Bayiga Kuriga Buganda mutere ngaro zamani munonga twashira Honorable Samuel Uganda mugarike mbatere ngaro zamani mnonga tushitame mwebare mnonga mushtame we can take our seats now mwebare mnonga kandi hati ebintu byahikwa muki kandi koko nabagambire umugenyi witu mukuru ni Honorable Dr. Rurume Bayiga mugarike mutere ngare zino zamani Oweshinsa Honorable Samuel Uganda no mwumba members ba parliament bace abino mugasho mwihangere Numushimanya parliament mu hine ba members ba parliament haramba members ba parliament na ba members ba parliament haramba members ba parliament abakugambirira abandi bakagambirira na ba members ba parliament bagenzi babo mbwene no mwo murubo kandi binagamba kugira ngo nagambira buri omwe yabicenga mwa tuafutana program yitu hata naza kweta oweshitinsa Stanley Katembea atuachire distant tuatana ko mutongore governor achire governor nengaro zamani munonga chairman wa chairman
PFF 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 Free for all. Mwebare munonga abantu bakuru ababasa kwija aba region kandi twari mu gishogu sima n'abagenye bita bakuru ababasa kwija umugenye mukuru Dr. Rurume yashiraha General yashiraha n'abandi bariyo mbija Dr. Kamara uno wa Western Region nawe yashira muterengaro. Yes numanye birebe ntambere gumire enshaho zire empty nabwo echo wayeta abantu kareba bija nibabaye sasa abatari kumanya nakatembe ya stanre ninye governor wa Ankole Omuri PFF kandi governor nabaye n'abamyoka ba districts 13 ubwire kuburake nibaza kubaboreka twabakira mbarane yitumbarane yanyu ushemere kushemererwamo arobunda police bambambuze buzo nabajangu this is a political season so tarujya manyamuza kwandika ki nabwo muri tuzandika tabazagarukamu bazinaga so twatwino koro mukoro gwitu ko kukire erizoba ko kumwahurura umukoro no kuronkinga kandi abantu babi n'obugenyi n'umuteho ko kugira bagira bija besirwe n'abazirwe bijo mukoro so tukizire umukoro muke abandi bija kugira abanyamara bona katabesere ko katire kirangwa radio twagira ngo abantu mwije murebe kibina cyanyu kisya echa FDC ko bakiguruze cyagenda ndabamwe abakiguruza bari ko ruguru baye guitar DP baye guitar FDC babashwera so ito bamwe bake twebe mbirukano Dr. Kizabesije ona ni shabambaze mwemere tumushabire for a moment in silence.
Marhango bwona twayemerera ha mishoga wotwena twembere mutreba ntwinama ntwehereza yo muhereza wawogo besije oture ine mpingwa mkono okinjire ine nyuma ya yebyoma byengize byoma mukama mbere ninyijuka obuwayigura enyigi bakomere Paulo na ba Petero mchome ngwengi zikayiguka umura kuboito bunchi baso butabecho kemitima kwe kwiguka abakomere ngiro bazigura umwiri wawe nashohoro mbona kobu mbone kikushaba mukama umurebe babazi umusasire kandi byabireho byoni wono manya cyo kukiritwe mbwene mukama bishobora bukuba uri umushobozi wabyona konkito ntukushaba umutwe gwateranda ngo mbona ko butaryobu nangobu nanga yizoba nanga kosha nyincha kare umukomoro muyihanjegere agarika hero areba umshana areba abantu benko kutwabareba ashemererwe izina yawe rimbisibwe ahabwa Yesu Kristo mukama witu amina.
Webare kanoni naho ratu wanduhuramu abo kubana wementa wanje atuza kushisha bwire koko nabakira nyenda kandi ngaruze omwamwishye akazindaro tugumizemo na program abo kuba mukoro gurushedord gwinesha hazagwe ezgu kweramu rero tukabasa kugarukayo mukirikare munonga mwebare kwija kandi mwebare kumpurikiza.
Mwebare munonga munkwase tweshongera keshongero kitu ka never surrender. Never, never, never surrender. Never, never, never surrender. Never, 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 never surrender. Never, never, never surrender. Ankole, never, never, never surrender. Never, never, never surrender. Mwebale mnonga. Oboye musika natanga kubwega. Nabajango nugwanje go kubanza kuba MC. Mwene PF yetaruho nani mbuye. Hati naza kubetera Deputy President witu. Orukuruga Kabale Municipality Umuchiga. Honorable Dr. Tadeus Kamara. Indirianya yoniri Nicholas Dr. Kamara Nicholas Tadeus agambira hari kandi icyo kora nacetegeze munonga kandi Deputy President witu w'ekirina ekisya.
Webale munonga Honorable Mwijuke Francis, our Deputy Chairman Uganda, my brother Honorable Dr. Ruru Mewaiga Philip Wamwenge, Salongo MP of Wikwe, mumwachire n'engaro mpango. My colleague, the Chief of Staff of PFF, Honorable Semoju Ibrahim Nganda, mumwachire. Our great leader, freedom fighter, Major General Mugisha Muntu. Freedom fighter,
I related to guest and follows militants. I'm RA 011308. One of those one, Kanamungoya Andrew Mate, who entered the service 1985, and I served 40 years. I'm here to present my filials, retirees. Sir, first of all, we thank God who has protected us through all these, the hardest time. During our struggles. I thank you God, to everyone who has been here, combatant without our failures, kwa wenzi yangu ambao tumekuwa nao kwa kazi ambao tumefikia kwa misi yake. So naomba kwa wakubwa yangu na waskari wenzi yangu, leo nimefurahi sana kukua kwamba tumekuja hapa kwa ceremony hii. Naomba na wengine mkuwe na discipline, tuone kwamba mmefika kwa siku ya mwisho na mimi mwende nyumbani, tufurahie nyumbani. Tena naomba wenzi yangu mwenye waliobaki kwa kazi, naomba mkuwe na discipline kwamba mfanye nini mfika kwa miaka ambayo nimefikisha miaka 40 kwenye kazi bila kuingia kwa mabusi. Tena naomba chingine wa mama yetu ambao nimeishi nao mwenye wanatupikia chakula, asante kuvumilia wa mama kutuchunga kufika kwa muda hii kama tuko na nyinyi. Wengine wako wafere, lakini asante kuvumilia kwamba mmefikisha kwa muda hii. Tena naomba chingine wa baba mwenye wanatoka kwa barabara mbalimbali mwenye wanakuja kwa ofisi sisi kwa party yetu hii, na nyinyi mpole safari kukuja kwa witness na mimi tunafanya nini na mimi tumemaliza kazi ya government. Na kazi ambayo tumemaliza hatujamaliza. Hatujafanya nini hatujamaliza. Bado tuko wazima. Kama chapa tunakutaka utarudi kwa sababu bado kwa mkono ya nini ya government. Isipokuwa kama umekufa hapo ndio matunda imeisha kwako. So tunaongea mingi. Dabaki jina langu ni wewe Dr. Wan Mateka na Mgoya Andrew for God and my country.
Asante sana. Asante sana. Asante sana Mgoya Andrew. Chief guest, you can see Mgoya Andrew has been there since 1985. And those who are not more clear with Kiswahili, he was basically thanking everyone, especially the leadership, and for what they have done to make them achieve what has been the mission of the army. And also interestingly, he talked about, he thanked the spouses or wives, those they have been with them for all those years, despite the difficult struggles they have gone through. So basically thanking each and everyone for being there for them, and wishing us, those who are still in the army, the very best in our time. Chief guest, we have the presence of Assistant RCC for Mbarara City South Division, Mr. Sasasi Joshua. You are most welcome. He has joined us, he had a meeting, but he said he'd come. You are most welcome. Before we transition to the next agenda, allow me to invite band to give us one, to usher in our chief guest for his remarks.
percent. Yes. Abantu who are covered by national health insurance, Uganda 3%. Waza kuleba abantu obu government erareberera waza health financing ebyo financial nora bichengaje. Uganda waza kugira ngo esente zora kukora munsha omutwaro gora tum byamagara. Shiringi 10,000 zirarugo munshaho yawo. Shiringi 10 n'izindi zirugo mu banyambabazi dona ubetaga donors. Shiringi 20,000 hamutwaro gora tum byamagara nizo zirarugo mu government. Naitegereza. Wakwata umutwaro gwa Uganda rukuza guto byamagara. Shiringi 10,000 zora tamu ziraruga mu banyambabazi. Shiringi 10,000 zirarugo munshaho yawo. Shiringi 2,000 hamutwaro nizo zirarugo mu government. Waza kuzakenya rashanga esente ziraruga mu government ziringe 10,000 zirarugo mu donors ziringe 10,000 omuntu wa bulijo aleterama akasente kachike 10,000 ngaruko. Mu Uganda it is the reverse. Cyo turendera ngo bugabo bw'abantu bugaruke ibyamagara biterere ibyo bwegese biterere nangwa n'ibyo buteje kibare tagava kangaruka nyakira bijo muri mbarara kandi mbasime habwo kwija Freedom Party, PPF, PPF, PFF, PFF. Thank you so much.
webare munonga nkuko nanabagambire turyakora ebintu ebi turyakora ebintu bina nkuko babagira ngo tukaraba kuno tubabuza ngo usandike kibina mwishuriza mwatwereze mikono twatongoze kibina ekyo omurijo neji ecya kabiri turyaha kubanjura interim leadership ya Ankole mutakagira ngo abantu b'Ankole bona twesera bebembezi bonka kubanjura interim leadership turyaha kubanjura enkorangana eri hagati ya PFF hamwe n'Ekigombe kya anti ecyamuheru turyaha kugura office ya PFF n'ebintu bingahi bina mbwene hati Dr. Kamara ntakamwiserengwa ashome abe ahize baba barhone bikirizanga na hari yecho dekanyete abambatagura babeno entertaininga dero roya amanyane na Dr. Kamara okutoya kurahiza bembezi bitu. Yes, entertainment group mwije mbere mustewe kanisa dero Dr. Kamara kwatagena commission of oath bamanyo kubaza kurahiza abembezi bitu.
by CAF. It is government of Uganda paying. It's not CAF paying for that.
naza kweta Dr. Kamara agwandura abebembezi barahe kwishiriza gukora bakugendera mu mateka rero tugumize Dr. Kamara
wabari mwijuje kuko nabagambire twinemu parliament kandi twinemu na executive kuko twayiko mu regions twinemu federal governments kandi buri federal government according to regions eleberwa governor kandi Ankole federal government erebemerwa governor Stanley Katembeya. And deputy governor Mujisha Godfrey. Tumwine Deo niwe secretary for social services. Mugume mubakire bashamwe abana bashira bahango. Tweheyo Charles secretary for economic affairs. Bafachi Charles secretary for political affairs. Bafachi Charles, it is written here. Bafachi Deo, and he can Deo instead of Bafachi. Atsasile Agatha, and he can Deo. Ugono secretary for special interests. Secretary for defense and security. Nshemereirwe Federica, secretary for treasury. Shemereirwe aliho mwenu hatiya Katembeya
Ladies and gentlemen, rebel groups sat and made an arrangement to attack Uganda from different directions. After Koi had tried to make success from northern axis and failed. Then Western Nile Bank front came up from Western Nile in coordination with the Lord Resistance Army, hoping that they are going to divide the concentration of UPDF from north south to northwest, and will weaken the UPDF and give room for rebels to advance. They made it, they tried and failed. They went back on drawing board. Then they brought in ADF, Allied Democratic Forces, on board to attack Uganda from western. That is Kasese. Knowing that Kasese was not fully guarded, all the forces were concentrated in northern region and moving from where Ambondwe to Katungu Bridge and cut off that bridge. It was a shorter distance and capture Kasese airfield. To them, they looked at it as an easy way of capturing Ugandan southern part from that end. But to their surprise, they were beaten off. So, UPDF proved that we are capable of defending Uganda from all directions. We launched what we call Operation Wenzo Mounted Storm. We maintained operations in Western Nile known as Operation Malaysia 1 and Malaysia 2, as well as the Operation Iron Fist that pushed into South Sudan and finally crossing into Garamba National Park in DRC. Now, these are the people that participated in all of those operations I'm talking about. Now here you are leaving the active force, active service, to join reserve force. You are tiring, but you are not yet tired. You are going to join different production forces out there. I thank our spouses that stands in your absence to keep home, raise children, and you are going back to join them. Those who have been there, those who are always there on our behalf. I salute the civilian population, because without civilian, no army. We are born from the civilian population, raised up. We are recruited from civilian population, and now you are tiring, going back to join the population. That's the reason why we have to maintain respect to wananchi. Unatoka huko na mwisho unarudi huko, so lazima wananchi waheshimiwe. Those who are still in active service, as I was interacting with the Opio lawyer this morning in my office, we realized that ideological guidance that gives for people's ideology, both in government and armed forces, are the pillar of our success. For people's government, that is leadership, elected leadership that minds about the population. For people's force, that mind about the population. And when you are deployed out there, the task number one is to protect civilians with their properties. And we have done it. These people, they are tiring as heroes. Those in active service, still in service, you still have a long way to do to maintain Uganda. As we advance economically, security rates also raises up, and it's our duty. If we have done it to pacify Somalia and the other countries, why not our home? So, UPDF, we are very proud of civilians. Civilians are very proud of us, and we maintain that historical relationship. The local council leadership out there, we salute you so much. Officers and men, we salute you so much. You have signed your retirement certificates. The doors are still open for you to access services within UPDF installations. Medical facilities are still open for you. Financial services, we have Wazalendo open for you. That's the reason even we shifted the cash branch from the barracks to out there in town, where you can easily keep accessing financial services without wasting much time. I thank you once again, and may God bless you.
Asante sana. Hayo makofi ni kibao. Asante sana. Chief Guest, thank you very much for those wonderful remarks, and especially recognizing the contribution of our retirees in all operations we have conducted since 1986. Some of them were even they participated under NRA. They have gone in all those operations: South Sudan, Central Africa, DRC. Others have gone as far as Equatorial Guinea, Somalia, and other activities inside Uganda. We thank you so much for recognizing their contribution in as far as Uganda's development is concerned. Dr. Opio although our special guest, we thank you so much for putting our image very clean before the international community. The books you have written are among the books that most of the people who are discussing, who are talking about conflict in Somalia, they refer to these books. And these are the books that will inform the future research of our children, our contribution, and especially the Black Hawk Rising. It's a very thrilling book, and it gives our account as UPDF. And we also thank you for recognizing us as UPDF as a professional global force, well organized and well disciplined. Finally, we thank you among the 10 ingredients included in your books, the ingredient of education, the 3 E's: education, education, and education. We thank you so much. As we move to the next item, sir, before we go to the next item, we are going to have a group photo, chief guest with your special guest and our invited guests. We are going to have a group photo. After the group photo, we will come back and take our seats. Then we have lunch. Once we are done with lunch, we shall conduct the other official send-off ceremony. We accompany our retirees up to the quarter guard, and you will hand them over to the civilian authority. So, Beck and team, but sir, we have Revival Radio and Television here. They are on StarTimes. We are not only looking at our local communities here, we are also going beyond our region. We thank them for being our partners. We are, Becca, I request you invite the, we are going to have a number of segments of photos. We request you, sir, the chief guest, with your special guest, Madam Deputy RCC, Assistant RCC, and Deputy RPC to come and take the seats in front for the group photo. If you are not called for the group photo, I request you remain seated. We will invite you at the right time. Becca, can we have the retirees? After a group photo with retirees, we shall have the officers will request our invited guests to remain seated in their seats as we take the photos. The first segment is with retirees. Oh, thank you very much, retirees. You can take your seats. Our invited guests will request you to remain seated for the next photo. Officers, brigade commanders, I request you to join. Battalion commanders and commanders of affiliate units from the VIP tent, and staff officers at the division headquarters. I request you to join the group. This photo is for, if you are not invited for the photo, I request you remain seated where you are. You'll get an opportunity to join one of the photos. All senior officers, please join the photo. All senior officers, join the photo. Junior officers, if you are here, you can join the photo as well. Okay, thank you very much. We request our invited guests still to remain seated for the next photo. Can we have all the other side, the other ranks? The other tent, please come, also come. As we take the photo, the catering team, you should be ready in the coming few minutes. We are coming for lunch. Please balance. One side I see very many militants, the other side is empty. Kindly please, those who are down, mwende juu, simame juu pale. Oh, thank you very much. I think we are done. Press, are we done? Thank you. Thank you. Not yet? Our chief guest band has requested to have a group photo with you. That in most cases they end up like band, if you can come and I don't know how possible it is if you can make it so fast. Yes. Vyombo mnaweza mkawacha nyuma, mnaweza mkaacha. Au kama mnataka wenye wako na hiyo ambao ziko pote mnaweza mkaenda nazo. You can go with those ones which are easily portable. Please stand very well near the chief guest. Huh? Thank you, band. Thank you very much, band, for entertaining us. I can see you are even enjoying your job, and we are also enjoying. Allow me, sir, to invite you to lead your special guest and invited guests for lunch. But before we go for lunch, if Major Kasaija is here, is Major Kasaija here? I request you come and pray for this food. Come, kindly please. And you are well known because you treated us very well during ED. This is Major Kasaija, you know him? Hussein.
Let's humble ourselves to pray. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Thank you very much. Barakallahu fikum. Fikum barakallah. I kind of request you remain seated. Band will continue entertaining us. Ushers, I will pick you from where you are seated. If you have not been picked, kindly remain seated. Allow me to invite you, sir, to lead your special guests, the invited guests, for lunch. Thank you, sir. Band, you can continue. We enjoy your music.
koyoje omushijo gukora birimo waye naremwe nubangira ngo nomushuma w'obururu konka ntija kumusinga twakwatanisa mwe bari mnonga mwe bari kutebekanisa rukunde gumeho
mutereho na Romero Francis engaro zamani munonga kare mwe bari mnonga hati naza national team hati nja kusummarizinga konka ina bargar kunjire bemerere mbare bebembirwe Darius kan Darius deputy governor wa Kigezi. Aha kan Darius nibaraba abanze kumara emyaka eshatu n'umuchome obwa pia rero mbijuka. Aha ngo ngombe kakira hati nja kweta honorable Opoka na Ekwaru Dr. Ekwaru bijaha babaramusyeho. Please come here and say hi to our people. Come and greet them, and then I will call Honorable Semu Uganda. Come and greet us in. Yes. They're not giving a speech, no. They're just greeting. Lango.
Rio no maber. Poyo no ba. PFF oye. PFF oye. Dr. Besje oye. General Muntu oye. All of us oye. I'm not going to speak in Runyankore because I'm not good at it. My name is Dr. George Ekwaro, but I also have Okelo. I come from Apache. In PFF, I am the Secretary in charge of Defense and Security. So before I go away, I would like to meet my members of Defense and Security, because we have a lot of work to do. So, I'm happy to be here today. I would like to start by thanking the organizers of this event and all of you for coming and sparing time. A struggle like this is very costly. A mere fact that you can spare some time and resources and move for this struggle is a very big boost to our struggle. And we're happy for it. Thank you yourself for that. I don't want to talk for long because there are many people who will speak here. But I would like to inform you about something. That in parts of Uganda, people think you people from the West are enjoying. Yes. Me who have traveled around the country, I know the problem you have is the same problem we have in the north. But people in other places think you people are enjoying because the person who is running the country comes from here. That is why I encourage you to work extra hard to push him away from here. He's trying as much as possible to now play with the poverty of our people. He's grabbing land there, he's doing all sorts of things, but we're also going to push back on him. This thing which you are seeing here is management of the country and its resources by a family, by a cabal of very few people. Very few, and it's actually a family. So if you don't push back, he's going to be eating and then rubbing the blood into your mouth. And people will think you are enjoying when you're actually not enjoying. We reject the unlawful detention of our leader, Dr. Besje. And we must push back on this one. So I would like to encourage you to remain steadfast, to remain firm. Those days when you talk opposition in Western Uganda, people would think you are a madman. But now you are the one leading. Congratulations. I would like to end here by wishing you a safe journey when the time comes. PFF oye! PFF oye! Ra!
Us who know how Dr. Ikwero speaks, today he has only greeted you. This is the tourist on the team.
Unfortunately, I'm not very well. And PFF's Oye. And Oye. I'm happy to be here for the second time. Last year we were here when we started the rescue for our party who was stolen by Museveni through Nandala and Oboi. And Katembe hosted us here with a number of teams where we began consultations on the issue whether we depart way or we reconcile. And we agreed that we should depart way and start a new formation. And that new formation is now PFF. I'm very happy. Number two, I'm also very happy to join with my long-term friend, retired Major General Mugisa Mutu. We had been friends for many years. And I have to confess, when General Mutu contests with Besige, I've never voted Besige, by the way. I've been voting General Mutu all along because, and I'm happy that today we are here in the same party. General, I'm very happy. But I vote Besige during presidential election. My coming from Ankole up to here is to deliver this very message. We have seen the problem of having a president in our area. When Tito Kelo was a president, Obote was a president, and Amin was a president, and all changes occur through gun, we lost many people. Unfortunately, you in the West, you now have power for over 40 years. I want to beg the elders, especially the there, those who can afford to talk to your people, that you don't want to see what happened in the northern Uganda to come to the West. This is the right opportunity and the message that we want change. I hope it is very clear. Nobody can tell you this. The Uganda are tired of you, Ankole. They are tired. I must tell you openly. That's why I came. You either take it in good faith or not. But I want to thank those who had stood with us, like Dr. Besige, Major General Mugisa Mutu, the MP Witu who had traveled, Katambea who had traveled the entire Choli. These are the people who are building the bridge for you to pass when time comes. That is my message. Let's work together. Let Museveni go in peace. You can oppress people, but time will come. I'm a medical person. If there is a wound, the time will come, it will burst, whether you like it or not. I thank you very much. Katembe, thank you for inviting us. I thank my leaders. I thank the Lulume. I thank Kamara, Lulume, and Chemuju. He only speak not for, but for the entire Uganda. And I don't want, I wouldn't want to forget my mama, who is my boss, my speaker, Mama Salam Musumba. I'm happy, Mama, for your coming. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. All the way from Agago. Agago is at the border of Southern Sudan. Honorable Semujunganda.
PFF. When we say PFF, you say Freedom Party. PFF. Freedom Party. NTOA. Our Deputy President, Dr. Lulu Mebaiga. Our leader, General Mugisha Muntu. Dr. Mebaiga promoted him, now he's a general. And all of you colleagues, I salute you in the name of the Almighty God. I have been told, and I want to thank Governor Katembea and team for organizing this meeting. I've been told all of you who are here are leaders. As the Chief of Staff, I want to address only one issue. We are building a new party. This party will require a lot of sacrifice. This party is going to be built by you. And I want to thank all of you who have been contributing money when you are organizing events at Katonga. That will have to continue. MP wetu wangambi njogere mu Luganda. Museveni atufugira ku bintu bibiri. Sente and violence. Era mujja kulaba abenaale bwe bamala okubba sente Kampala, bwe bajja muno mu Mbalala ne mu Ankole, niwe mugenda mu campaign gw'otandika nga you are at a disadvantage because sente bazibba eri ne bazireeta wano ne bayita n'amagye ne babakuba. Mbasaba mwenna abali wano buli omu akole contribution. In fact tugenda kutandika nga okuzimba ekibiina kyaffe tucontributinga sente okuva mu buli district. Twagala tusooke okubeera ekibiina mu Uganda ekinazimba headquarter Kampala nga mwe mugizimbye abali wano. Bwe tunaamanyiira ekyo ne bwe tunaagenda mu gavumenti tujja kumanya tetugenzeeyo kubbayo bubbi. Bano bannaffe tebe training, they have not trained themselves. Buli alaba gavumenti alowooza agenze kubba. N'abakazi waliwo minisita awo Kabakumba Masiko eyabba emirongooti gya UTV. Edda abakazi tibabanga babbi naye nabo mulembe gwa Museveni bayize obubbi. Buli alaba ofiisi bwe bagimuteekamu anoonya byakubba wabulayo sente waakiri yeetika emirongooti. So mwabali wano mbasaba buli omu agenda kukola contribution throughout the country. Tugule headquarter tugizimbe. We train ourselves tumanye nti tusobola okubanga tuyimirizaawo because ekyonoonye Uganda baga ebintu bibiri Museveni byakozesa money and violence. Nesene zakozesa azijjawa finally. Wano mwina aba boda, don't you? Buli lita ya mafuta 1 lita ya petroli government ejijjako omusolo siringi 135 buli lita. Nyina boda wange nyingi nagenza okubala stage emu, just one stage erika abana ba boda 100 nga buli omu buli lunaku government emujjako siringi 65 ez'amafuta kuba abavuga lita 5 nga abaana 10 buli mwaka stage government ejijjako milioni 18 stage emu ya boda. You can do the calculation. Mwenye Museveni atufugira okwa abantu etula okwata calculator tumanye atubye kyenkanawa. Just one stage ya boda boda ekireke eriko abaana 10 buli omu bamujjako kakaaga mu 5 buli lunaku omwaka million 18 one stage kati ogenda okulaba nga ye emmotoka amafuta gajjudde mbw alese pdm miliyoni emu nga yatute 18 mwina mukubira nduulu buli amulaba kati ezo zebakuŋŋaanya buli muntu ali wano mucontributinga oli wa boda zino engoye zimwambala buli lugoye kati bazipimira mu kiro nga ziyingira wano abaagulanga jean emitwalo 28 kati mugigula mitwalo 4 olwagambye 5 bagenda bongera buli kyokozesa bakusolooza bamala ozikuŋŋaanya ne bajja ne bagawo bawagire botabawagira ne bakukuba emiggo so bwebakuba n'emiggo si kale masasi so message yange egenda kukomaawo mbasaba mwena abali wano mu district zammwe tukole small contribution nga wolaba nti ku stage emu bagijjako million 18 nga tuli wamu nga tuli determined tewaliwo kye tutasobola kukola mwebale nnyo okumpuliriza
mwongere engalo nyingi munonga ogwo omusigazi arikukwata ebishushane n'omujwekero gw'eminyeto mu PFF. He's one of the youth leaders in PFF, so you can wave to the people. Now I am going to invite the Honorable Proscovia Saram Musumba. Mwatere engaro amazina ntaka gaherezeyo. Proscovia Saram Musumba Naiti. Kare mwachere engaro zamani munonga. Nebare.
Nesimye okubabonako. Murije mbadde wano emirundi mingi era ndi musanyufu nate okukomawo mu lutabaalo olw'ekwenunula. Mukimanyi bulungi twatandika ekibiina Forum for Democratic Change ne bakitubbako era ne tusalawo nti tebajja tusobola tuteekewo ekibiina ekipya. Ekibiina kino People's Front for Freedom kye kituleese olunaku lwaleero mu Ankole okukitebenkeza okukiteeka mu bantu. Mwebale nnyo Governor Katembeya. Mwebale nnyo mwenna who we have been working with. Mwebale nnyo. Mwebale butakoowa. Kuba singa tukoowa Uganda tuba tugiriddemu olukwe. Ekyawambisa FDC lwakuba kyali kibiina kinene eky'ensonga era baali bamanyi nti bwe bakitutte ffenna tetujja kudda ne bannaye twekubireko mu ngalo weetuli nnyo. PFF Freedom Party nze ndi banandi musiimu twogeire ebigambo bingi over the years. The mission remains the same. Fe twali bagagedda abasoga twali bagayiga era obugayiga obusinga bwe muli nabwo bwava waife si bwe kiri. Fe twali engine eyokulaakulanya ensi yonna gye bayita Uganda. Era abasinga mumwe mmanyi olusoga mumanye busoga kubanga mwakolera Jinja Industrial City. Obugaga bwammwe bwonna bulimu olusoga. Sabo enziji eno sirina tabu nammwe at all because I know we have lived together. We have grown together. Naye mwatukoze bubi. Kuba mulembe gw'obote twali bagaga. naye mu mulembe gwammwe tuli baavu. Kitalo nnyo. Nti obugagga bwaffe bwonna bwe twandibadde tugabanira wamu, ffe mutusedde. Naye ffe tetulina kiniga. We are okay. Kyembagamba kimu nti let us build a platform of unity for the whole of Uganda. Platform eno ye Freedom Party. Kuba nammwe muli bawambe bambi. Tukimanyi muli baki? Babaliirako buliizi. Era eno Ankole. Si bwe kiri? Kuba bwe twali mu independence, to go to independence, independence was negotiated in regions. Mwe mwajjanga ani? Ankole. Naffe twajjanga Basoga. Kati njagala tukkiriziganye Abanyankole n'Abasoga n'Abakyoli n'Abalango tudde ku mmeeza. Mmeeza empya. Tetugenda kukkiriza ng'Opoka bw'abagambye nti amagye ge gagenda okufuga eggwanga. Kuba amagye si Manyankole. Magye gatuwamba. Agakubye Sembabule, agakubye Uganda yonna magye. Sinjiro mambi mwe twabasaasira dda mulabye nnyo. Naye teebereza we bakubira isinjiro bwe bati olowooza ffe Abasoga batukuba batya? Kaakati tuli basanyufu nti we are building back our heritage. Ankole mujje tuteese. Kuba Ankole mwali mugenda kubeera bagagga with or without Museveni. You are already a successful community. Obuvunaanyizibwa bwammwe to build that bridge back to Uganda. Era mufunira wa mu PFF ne mu ANT nga mufunye obukulembe ensanga bw'obulaba ku mmeeza nga bw'obulaba eno yonna. Mufunira wa? To rescue yourselves. To rescue yourselves. Tebabagamba nti tubalimba bulimbi. Ffe buli kimu kye batubyeko tulowooza nti mwakireeteni. Bwe tulowooza naye okumalako ekyo tuddayo Uganda yonna ne tugigamba nti tukkirizaganyizza nga twagala okuleeta eddembe, okusigaza emirembe ne bwa Sseruganda twagala tubusigaze nga tuzimbye platform, political platform where we all talk, where we all unite, where we all respect each other. Kyova olaba ndi musiimu nnyo, ndi musiimu ino okuba nga ndibona Semambo, ndikubona my boss. He has always been my boss and he will be my boss. General Muntu. Esanyu eryange ndyongerako kubanga when we set up FDC, it is I and Honorable Muntu who you sent to Canada, who you sent to America, who you sent to Capitol Hill, who you sent to London to plead that we needed democratic change. I am glad we are back. And we should continue to walk back to the places we went to. We went to Canada, we were in Toronto, we went to Washington, we were in London, we were in Brussels, we were everywhere for you. Banange mwekubira ku mungalo. Mwikirize nkome wano nga mbaleetera okulamusa okuva ebusoga. Abantu abangi bemutabonaku aye abaidi nga muliyo. zena bembona kumba nkobere mutimu gwino oluwala olusogo olungi. PFF, Freedom Party, Freedom Party. Mbasanyukidde nnyo, mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala.
Muterre engalo z'amaanyi munonga. Mbwenu wagamba gye Farida nanda kuhereza ekirabo. Honorable Salam. Honorable Salam. You spoke so well. On behalf of the women in this meeting, she wants to give you a gift. And you know what it is? All the way from the Vatican. Hamhero.
Ono Mama Maria gwe bampadde owa blue. Nja kwongera omusa abantu Bikira Maria w'ekisa. Jjukiranga obwedda n'obweddwa. Sitwawuliranga nga wayabulira abantu bo. Katonda abankuumire.
Ngore munonga nabagamba tukutandika ngo tuyija kukora ebintu bina ebyatuleetaho izoobeera n'ebintu bina. Kyokubanza okutongoza ekibiina omugufu gumo kyete Freedom Party. Freedom what? Bire bya PPF na FFF byakuteganisa Freedom Party. Freedom what? Ekyo twashikora. Ekya kabiri okutongoza no kurahiza abembezi ba Freedom Party. Mwene ba komanda. Ekya kashatu ekya muheru no kwigura office ya Ankole ya PFF two. Mwe twasigaza abagamba babiri. Hata naza kubetera General Muntu Gurigore Oyera. Mwemera tumutere engalo z'amaanyi munonga.
PFF oye! PFF oye! ANT oye! Twashemura munonga okwira izoba Governor Stanley Katemba yabere kutweta omujenyo mukuru Vice President, Vice Chairperson, Vice Chairman. Vice Chairman? Vice Chairman. Okay. Vice wa Principal, the Lord Mayor, President Pochibina, you are delegating a Vice Way, Honorable Rural Mayor Baiga, from Buikwe, representing Abebe Mbezaba Kuru, our PFF, Abariaha. Honorable, we are happy to see you in this part of the country. I come from this side of the country, Ntungamo, as you go to Kabare. Speaker, Honorable Salam Musumba, our PFF, Honorable Semju Nganda, Honorable Kamara, Honorable Mwishe Francis, Honorable Kajinda, Umurundo Gunoboro Tarajireyo Konka Hona, Okawariyo. Mwina bembezi ba PFF, abembezi aba NT, babanjura, twashemera munongo kuba turi aha izoberi. Mwe baro kugumuseriza. Ekintu cyo kugumuseriza tikintu cyorobe. Tima ubwiro bunyine. Kamba nzemba historia abana ba Israeli obayambuka omujara gwa Reti ranga y'abakore byo kutangaza yatanura amezi kenyanja bayambuka amahega Faraho gahwerekera kubakire omu desert ebintu bikabitorobi baronda amezi batandika kurizibwa ebi intwe bana barya abana baruga batere nduru Moses wabere abebembere no kushebero yashebero bajyangu nangwa kuntugaruka Egypt aho twenturiye byozi twanturiye nyama ranga yabahurura yatabuka yagambara Moses atzaharubaju mbahezeho bakabura kwijuka ibyo kutangaza range byabera kozire kutanure nyanja urutaro rukukira kutubamo munda nkabantu haro tujoro rutaro urutaho munda yeitu ahagati between the spirit and the body umuryango artimo kukuba aha omwoyo no mubiri mbwenu hato mwoyo gwabo munafu omubiri gwakize omwoyo amani bayina ngo bagaruke kuriya abo bamazire emyaka 100 no mbukwato ranga yayibuza aba bantu abarebere cyo kutangaza hati nibarango bazegaruka kuriye byozi Musa yateka amaju yayishenjeza ranga totakabahezaho kiryahurwa kita ngo abana bawe abantu bawe ihanga ryawe eru wakora ibyo kutangaza ngo hati ni warehezaho icyo nakikomyaho bagumuzamo akabaraganise kuzo munsi ensubize eyaraganisibwe ensi y'obwoki n'amate mbwen kubabere bari kugishikamu Musa yayohereza ki abo kutata okutata bambega mugene murebe ihangere ruhange yarutaganise ritanu rishaki abantu abariyo barbata bazaye bakabine tribes 12 ninga engandi 12 buruganda rwino mutwe ruganda rwino mutwe 12 bakaye batata bashangensi eri nkaro hanguko yawe najigamba nangwa batema no muzabibu emizabu grapes azimukure zo mu supermarket som zikuremera bakabata kubaza no kuzicereza bazitachiti bagaruka kubakire Musa yeta orukungana mbwe nabantu bona abayibari abisirayi ngo bahereze report 10 bagamba konka bagamba ebintu byaresero bunafu umbantu abayirubeni bajyanga tukakayo ensi ninungi numureba nemizabu konka abantu butwashangire nebekaka kandi omisho gabo nuturebuka nkensenene bagwere mu mubiri ngomisho gabo nuturebuka nkensenene chamansa ngubo hati bakani bereba nkensenene babiri bonka Joshua na Caleb bagira ngo abantu bagwisa kagwe kire ensinenuje kire bari nebikaka konka ruhanga owatwambukise Red Sea naza kubato mu ngaro zeitu ntubaheza ruhanga yataho yagira ati numumbora kandi yarahira kandi cyashikira yagira ati abantu abari hansi abo kuba kwiyarize gambebyo hati ase